Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Eternality token. Now this token is just about to be listed as of tomorrow on a central exchange. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol ETEN. Eternality is the name of the token. So this token is just about to be listed on a central exchange starting tomorrow, January 31st. Deposits open 5 a.m. UTC. Trading open 7 a.m. UTC on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. Now, if you don't have a Hotbit account and you're looking to get this token, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ETEN, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. The cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lock up, stake them, loans. There's all sorts of different ways you can earn really high annual percentage yield on Hotbit. So if you don't have a Hotbit account, I would definitely check out Hotbit. And yeah, there is a referral code in the description box. So it says the Eternality platform recognizes this irony by developing metaverse based on self-developed games and defines metaverse as a virtual world without defining it as a three-dimensional world where real activities are possible. That's the little blurb it says on the Hotbit announcement. It says this is a BEP20 token. They have their BSC scan available on the Hotbit announcement as well. According to their BSC scan, looks like Hotbit is the initial listing because it says only 5 holders so far, which means it's not available on PancakeSwap or any other decentralized exchange prior to the Hotbit listing. So Hotbit will be the first place. You'll be able to get this token starting tomorrow. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 7 billion tokens according to their BSC scan and the Hotbit announcement here. Their official webpage is etenmetaverse.com. So basically the ticker symbol and then metaverse.com. You can also find their white paper there at etenmetaverse.com/Eten/whitepaper.pdf. So if you head over to their official webpage, you could find roadmap, token information, contact information, full white paper, a link to their application, info, all sorts of stuff is available on their webpage. Eternality. The Eternality platform recognizes, okay, so it just repeats what it said on Pink Sale there. So it says combinations of NFTs. Now I do believe this is translated. This may be translated from Korean, I would guess. Because the grammar is definitely off on here, but you can kind of get the idea of what they're trying to say anyways. So if I read this and the grammar's off, I apologize. That's just how it is translated on their white paper and web page here. So it says Eternality combines AR games, so augmented reality games with NFTs, with the more advanced augmented reality technology and frame rate optimization technology. This is going to create a state-of-the-art digital asset and convert them into NFTs. So they're combining basically augmented reality and NFTs is what they're trying to say. So you're going to see some really cool state-of-the-art digital asset NFTs with frame rate optimization technology. So the metaverse using augmented reality and virtual reality. Eternality has the plans to establish the metaverse using the technologies of AR and VR. The metaverse is a three-dimensional virtual world used by gamers and a platform established using various engines such as Unity and Unreal Engine. Eternality plans to use this metaverse as a game-type virtual world. User experiences of Eternality's game. The players can receive rewards in Eten tokens through specific actions, such as giving feed to their pets with the metaverse or augmented reality, and otherwise decorating their pets with beauty tools, etc. It is possible to evolve into a pet with a higher level by combining the raised pet with the Eten token. So basically they're saying you can level up your pet, and they show an example here, like your pet may be on level 6, and it says level up your pet to level 7 with 20 Eten tokens. So it shows you kind of like what the app looks like. So this is they have this pet NFT app here. It says My NFT Pets Eternality, and it shows like cats and dogs and different pets that you could level up, and they cost different amounts. Like this cat named Anna might cost 0.5 BNB and be a 3-star pet, or you might want to get the 4-star cat named Cookie for 0.7 BNB. Eternality's NFT mock-up screens. So it shows the screens on their webpage here. So they have storage and movement of data. Eten tokens play a role in the safe accompanying of delivering the data beyond the role of currency, such as sending, receiving, and trading of assets. Eternality used as a P2P storage network such as IPFS to store data outside Eternality's blockchain. The stored data can be duplicated through multiple participants, and it can be accessed through a unique hash of the data, since forgery and alteration are completely prevented when data in the Eternality blockchain is processed by hash. Allows very efficient access to external data such as Eternality's smart contract. So gamification is on here as well. It goes over that, and security. So they talk about blockchain security. There's going to be burning. So Eten commissions incurred when combining raised pets with Eten tokens are burnt. So when you level up your pet, some of the tokens get burnt there. Tokens are basically split up like this. So 22% goes to the ecosystem, 20% reserve, 15% liquidity, 15% development, 10% team, 8% angel investors, 5% marketing events, and 5% partners. And they have a roadmap on here: white paper, token launch, then partnerships, start development, listing on global exchange. So that's when Hotbit comes in there. So that's where we're at right now. Then beta test on players, metaverse concept launch NFTs in Metaverse 1.0 project, update the smart contract, listing on more exchanges, CoinMarketCap, and update the white paper. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes, especially that Hotbit one where this token is going to be listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.